Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Meuthia Hamid. I am from SMP Araihan, Bantul. Waste has been a serious problem from the past until now. Waste that is disposed of will gradually accumulate and damage the environment. Many people still do not care and dispose of waste indiscriminately, such as in rivers and seas. However, if this continues, it will cause floods because the water cannot flow properly, resulting in overflow in the surrounding areas. Floods in settlements will cause losses and hinder people's activities. Not only causing floods, water and soil will be polluted by improperly disposed waste and will become a serious problem in the future. This affects the quality of water, impacting human health and threatening marine ecosystems, which can harm marine animals. The habit of littering will continue to be a bad habit if many people still do not care. Based on data from the Ministry of Environment and Forestry in 2022, the amount of waste accumulation in Indonesia is 86.7 million tons per year, with organic waste, especially food leftovers, dominating at 41.27%. Now, I would like to show you how to use the organic waste that is left to make something beautiful. Let's check it out. What do we need? First, leaves. Second, glue. Third, scissors. Plastic book cover. And of course, written book. What do we do? First, you must make sure to clean the leaves. Then, take the written book and glue the leaves covering the book. Stick it here. Over here. And then here. Here. Put it here. And here it is. The leaves are as plastic book cover. Beautiful, right? So, I suggest you to keep our environment clean and don't litter. Have a good time. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.